Want to create an opening like this? Let's get started. First, prepare several photos or videos. In this example, I'm using 9 videos. Import the first video into your timeline. Make sure you set the ratio and remove the original sound if your clip has audio. Next, adjust the clip duration based on your preference. Here, I'm using a 3-second duration. Add a keyframe at the beginning and another at the end of the clip. On the last keyframe, change the scale to 1%, then move forward 5 frames and duplicate the main clip as an overlay. Repeat this step until you have the same number of clips as your prepared videos. After that, go back to the second clip. On the first keyframe, move the clip to a corner position. Repeat the same step for the other clips. Make sure each clip starts from a different position. To make it more interesting, add the diary frame to effect to each clip. This step is optional. Next, replace each duplicated clip with the videos you prepared earlier. After that, add the first clip again to the top layer. Add 2 keyframes. On the first keyframe, adjust the scale. Then go to animation and add the fade and animation. Adjust the duration based on your preference. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your opening animation is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.